check us
I'm
out
not hangry anymore.
in this beautiful cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
And
Beautiful.
look at that.
Huh?
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that house. I love that it's not like an extreme bright white, but that color is called Oyster white. It's really pretty.
And the green?
That's Everfog.
I love
Evergreen
Everfog.
fog.
That's beautiful. And where are we?
We are in Arlington.
Arlington,
baby.
Texas, man. How far is Six Flags from here?
Probably not that far. I have to calculate, but
Man, we flew by this one. 6 weeks. Beautiful job. Went smooth. She is beautiful. Just some minor things need to be done. We'll knock it out in 1 or 2 days.
Cosmetics.
Yeah.
No major changes.
Like this mailbox, we're gonna wrap that to make it match the
Brick.
post. We're gonna change that light fixture right there. We're gonna install a Ring doorbell, and then just some minor things inside. And she's 100%. She'll be live in 2 days. She'll be in the market.
Yeah.
We're listing her at $339, which if I
Remember.
make
correctly.
my let me look at my, we have comps all the way to, yeah, that's only $236 a square foot.
Yeah.
So really good price.
Beautiful.
We did the landscape here, painted the front porch. What else did we do, babe? New shutters, wrapped
We
the
did the
columns.
new shutters, wrapped the columns, did the landscape. Just like we said, like
Beautiful
basic
job on the landscape.
cosmetic
Mhm.
job. But I mean, a little bit of love and it goes a long way.